Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2001 Toyota Estima. It comes with 40,219 miles and it is powered by the reliable 3-liter 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 2 front doors and 2 rear sliding doors as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle, starting from the driver's side door. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at, this dash right here first. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched it out. They also do go away. And then we'll go ahead and take a look up here. The number that you're seeing on the bottom, 64,728. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 40,219. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start on the driver's side again. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. Thank you for the continual support. It does mean the world to us. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.